Hello friends, welcome to Gem Academy. Today what we are going to see is commercial paper. A problem in a commercial paper. A problem is what would be the issue price of a commercial paper. The face value is 100 carrying on interest at the rate of 10% and maturity of 1 year expressed as percentage of notional value. The problem given is a commercial paper is issued. It has an interest rate of 10%. The face value of the commercial paper is rupees 100. Here it is mentioned as rupees 100. But even though if it is not mentioned, the face value of the commercial paper is 100. Maturity period is 1 year. So now we are going to the solution. Face value is 100. Commercial papers are always issued at discount. Like treasury bills, commercial papers, both are issued at a discount price. That is, it will be issued at any of the price lower than the face value. Below this 100, the issue price may be anything. That is 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 90, 88, even 88, 70, etc. So the issue price is lower than the face value. So the gain for the customer is 100 minus this one. If it is 99, the gain for the customer is 1 rupees. If it is 98 rupees, the issue price is 98 rupees, then the gain for the customer is 100 minus 98, 2 rupees is the gain for the customer. Usually the gain is the interest. So I am using the simple formula. Simple interest is equal to P into N into R. We all know this formula. Here we need to find what is P. Issue price of this commercial paper. Gain is interest, that is 100 minus P. P only we have to find out. So P is 100 minus P. N is 1 year, it is given. R is 10%, that is also given. So I am substituting these values. 100 minus P. Interest is 100 minus P. 100 minus P. This one P into 1. 1 is the year. And for R, I am substituting 10 divided by 100. For interest, I am substituting 100 minus P. Price is P. N is 1. And R is 10%. We need to find this value P. I am just solving this. 100 minus P is equal to, I am solving P divided by 10. 100 minus P is equal to P divided by 10. I am taking this 10 to here. Then 10 into 100 minus P is equal to P. So multiplying it by 10, I am getting 1000 minus 10P is equal to P, which implies 11P is equal to 1000. So the value of P is 1000 divided by 11. That is P is 90.90. The issue price of the commercial paper is 90.90. So the gain for the customer is 100 minus 90.90. We are getting 9.10 is the gain for the customer, that is the interest. P is 90.90. Here is a solution. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. and kindly subscribe to Gym Academy.